I wanted to put some music on, but this video is more than a minute, so I'll try the voiceover. So it has been the third day of my trip, and a lot has been going on my mind. All I have to do is to try to observe my thinking, calm my mind down, and focus on myself. Today I'm moving, hopefully to a quieter place. And let's see if I can find somewhere close to the ocean. I wish you a beautiful day. The weekend is coming, so go to somewhere nice and relax. And at the end of this video, I will send you three animals, lucky animals. And I will see you later.